Today, we will talk about how to shop at IKEA Store. Let's have a look at the details. Especially if you've never been there before, shopping at IKEA can be both a fun and overwhelming experience. While its massive size and maze of furniture displays can be intimidating, IKEA's endless number of item options and unique features encourage you to have a great shopping experience. Plan your trip beforehand, figure out how to navigate the store, and take advantage of the deals in order to shop at IKEA efficiently and leave with all the furniture you need. The first method is planning your trip beforehand. Go early on a weekday. Avoiding crowds can make shopping easier for you. To avoid the crowds, head to IKEA early in the week and early in the day. They are typically less busy around 10 o'clock in the morning on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Pick one room to shop for. You'll go crazy trying to furnish your whole house in one trip to IKEA. Instead, pick one room that needs furnishing the most and plan to buy only what you need for that room. Visit IKEA's website to collect some necessary information. You can really get a leg up on your shopping experience by just visiting IKEA's website. There, you can browse different products, jot down the names of your favorites, find different item measurements, and see if certain pieces are in stock at your nearest location. Measure your room and vehicle. You don't want to end up buying furniture that you can't fit in your car and take home. Before going to IKEA, use measuring tape to figure out the dimensions of your trunk and also the area of the room that you wish to furnish. Invite a buddy. Shopping can often be easier and more fun with a sidekick. Whether you pick a friend or your spouse, make sure you invite someone who you enjoy doing other kinds of shopping as well. The second method is navigating the store. Every IKEA has a big cafeteria where you can choose from a variety of affordable meals, snacks, desserts, and drinks. Shopping at IKEA is a marathon, not a sprint, so you'll want to be fueled up. Drop the kids off at Smallland. Smallland, which means small land, is the daycare center at IKEA. Take a photo of the map. To shop efficiently, you need to know where you're going. As soon as you see the blue map of the building, get your phone out and take a photo of it. Split tasks with your buddy. Dividing and conquering will keep you from dragging big items around the building and also help you get your shopping done quickly. Save time with the shortcuts. Use the shortcuts to skip the parts of the showroom that you know you won't be buying anything from. Take photos of the item tags. Since you aren't going to pick up items as you shop, it's a good idea to take a photo of the tag of each item that you're considering purchasing. Get your items from the warehouse. Get a cart and head into the self-serving warehouse. For the most part, furniture is kept in the same general area. Look on your item tag to see which aisles your items are on. Check out with a cashier. Head to the checkout line to buy the items you've decided on. You can pick up a few more knickknacks while waiting in line as well if you want to. Ask an employee for help. They will be able to help you navigate the store and can also find other information that you may need. And the third method is taking advantage of the deals. Don't skip the as-is area. The as-is area is full of discounted items that are located near the registers. These items have been marked down significantly because they've been damaged, returned, or were originally on display. Look for the last chance tags. Items that have been discontinued will have a yellow tag that says last chance on it. These items are nearly always discounted at least some, but exactly how much varies by location. Most are discounted by 15 to 50%. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.